While typically these restrictions need surgery, it's not always the case. Sometimes the tissues are pliable and movable and can change with professional therapy. Here, you see a picture of a client with a pull in the tip of their tongue that most would consider to be a tongue tie. However, after one whole body treatment, including a gentle fascial mobilization and integration technique I developed called Mouth Magic, and a week of the client faithfully doing their therapy every day, the pull in their tongue disappeared in 1 week. Unbelievable, right? Now, we all know the magic really comes from working hard in happy ways with a team of talented tongue wranglers, and often requires surgery. But some can achieve the function they need without surgery. Click on this link to our tutorial where we share how to solve the tongue tie puzzle and introduce 8 missing pieces essential for success from a whole body physical therapy perspective.